Homeopathy provides excellent medicines for schizophrenia, which refers to any of a group of serious mental disorders. The patient lives in a dream world of his own. He withdraws from reality. He is unable to react realistically to situations of sorrow or of joy. He hears voices, sees visions. Quite often he is violent. His behavior is odd. He follows an illogical pattern of thinking, has delusions and hallucinations. He needs our sympathy. I am taking up delirium first, which is a mental disturbance that is acute, of short duration, and usually reflects a toxic state of mind. Delirium comes in fever, with that intake of excessive alcohol. We prescribe Agaricus 200. If the patient suffers from hallucinations, visual illusions, frightful images, he is furious, he rages, he bites, he strikes, he is violent, his carotids throb, his face, skin becomes red hot, hands and feet are cold, give him Belladonna 200. It will control. Sometimes the patient laughs uncontrollably. He behaves like a person who can look at the future. He needs cannabis indica 30. Amorous frenzy, fiery sexual desire requires Cantharis 200. A patient talks obscene. He uncovers genitals. Give him Hyos Cymus HYOSCY MUS 200. If he talks in delirium with eyes wide open, Opium 200 is of great help. In delirium, the patient talks with spirits. He is violent, he is lewd, he swears, sings and prays, he has tremors. He requires Stramonium 30. Stramonium 30. In hallucination, which is a serious brain disorder, a person perceives events that never took place. While frightful visions require Absinthium 30, a person requires Anacardium 200 if he thinks he is possessed of two persons, his memory is failing. Another one who sees varied kaleidoscopic colors, visions of monsters of gruesome figures, whose pupils are dilated, who has fantastic illusions, who has lost touch with reality. He sees ghosts, monsters and spirits, animals, insects out to hurt him. Give him Anhalonium, ANHALONIUM mother tincture, 5 drops, 4 times a day, as well as Belladonna 200, 4 times a day. In mania, The patient shows excessive enthusiasm, excitement. It's a sort of insanity characterized by great excitement with or without delusions. Violence comes in acute stages. Excitement is for no apparent justification. An obsession, say, for neatness or any other thing. Abnormal behavior, bipolar disorders, profuse and rapidly changing ideas, exaggerated sexuality, gaiety or irritability, sleep reduced. For sexual mania, insatiable desire, usually with urinary problems, Cantharis 200 is the remedy. While for obscene, lascivious language, uncovering of genitals, Hyoscyamus 200 helps. If a person justifies his behavior declaring that he is carrying out God's commands, give Lachesis 200. He is ecstatic, prophetic, revengeful, talks incessantly. Another one exposes genitals in public. He has insatiable sexual appetite. He requires Phosphorus 200. A person who believes that he is in direct communication with God. He is acting devout all the time. He is beseeching, folding hands, praying to the skies. The medicine is Stramonium 200. A person who acts philosophical, meditates all the time but is unclean, requires sulfur 200. And another one who is cursing, howling all night, who is violent, talks lewd, requires Veratrum Alb 200. Listen to this video again and again carefully. Note down the symptoms of your patient and choose the medicines. They will help you in relieving a common human problem which can be there in any family. Thank you for listening to this video. Use homeopathy. It is cheap, it is simple, it is easy, it is effective. It is one of the finest systems of healing. Thank you.